So I bought a new iMac and it's really slow sometimes. When I'm playing like music, it's jumping around all over the place. One of the things I found is if you have a problem with your computer, rather than trying to search the internet, looking at different pages, trying to find the solution, it's so much easier. Just go to ChatGPT, type in your problem. So here you can see that I've actually put in, I have a new Mac, something's not quite right. When playing music, it seems to jump sometimes. Internet is 400 megabyte per second. When I'm on Zoom, it goes really slow and takes some time to catch up. And I've also got Camtasia, which is a recording video software. And that also is almost grinding the whole of the platform to a site. So check all your settings, but best thing you can do, put something into the ChatGPT what the problem is, and it will actually search it. I've used this for all sorts of things. I'm building a new office in my garden, and I asked it to find the cheapest wood, 2x6 for framework, and bizarrely it did actually come up with some really good prices and companies I've never heard of, and I've lived in this area for like 20 years. So yeah, really good resource. But if you're looking to make your Mac faster, then this is a good solution. Thank you.